there and welcome to video number 4. Just below the red toolbar, there are some other tools that can help you in your search. Every time you go to the catalog and do a search, the results that you see will be displayed as a big list. That's because the catalog's default setting is list view. Another view also exists called cover view. By clicking on cover view, left click once, you'll see that the covers of each item is really big now. And much of the item's information is hidden. But if you left click once on the title, you will see that the information can be found. I'm going to left click and go back to the search results here, and it automatically goes back to list view. By default, when you do a search, the items in your results list will be listed by relevance or order of importance. Basically, the items that best match your search terms will be the first ones that you see on the list. If you left click on Sort By at the top of the screen, you'll see that there are other ways to sort your results. Relevance is the default, of course, but you can also sort the items in the list by the oldest, the newest, by title, and by author. In this example here, I already did a basic search for dog obedience training. If we scroll down, you can see that there are a variety of items for this topic. But if you look a little bit closer, some of these items are a little bit out of date. What if you want something a little newer perhaps, more recently published? So scroll to the top, left click on Sort By, and try clicking on Publication Date Newest First. As you can see now, the most recently published items are now at the top of your screen, at the top of your list, that is. These two here, published in 2017, 2016, and so on. It's also possible to sort your results list by title or by author's name. So let's scroll up and take a look at that. For both a title sort and an author sort, your results list will be sorted alphabetically. So let's left click on Sort By, and then left click on Title. And as you can see, the titles are sorted alphabetically, starting with the letter A, and then going on to titles that start with the letter B. Next, the Select an Action drop-down menu here can help you with some other tasks. If you left click on it, you'll see that you can place and hold on an item, add an item to my list, email an item's information to yourself or to another person, or print a record of the item. Tutorial number 7 later on in the series will cover holds and my lists, so we'll focus on the email and the printing. If you would like to email a copy of an item's record to yourself or another person, you can do that in the catalog. Find the item that you're interested in and left click in the box underneath the record number. One left click will put a check mark in the box. Then come up to Select an Action, left click on it once, and then go down to Email, left click on that also. Click into the box here, a left click once, and then start typing in your email address or the email address of someone else. When you're all through, left click on Send Email. You'll see a confirmation screen saying that the email has been sent. Then left click on OK to make it go away. It's also possible to print a paper copy of an item's record. Simply find the item that you like, and then left click once on the box next to it. A little check mark will appear inside. Then go up to Select an Action, left click on it once, and then left click on Print. A tab will open up in your internet browser and display what the item's record will look like. Now from here forward, the steps might be a little bit different based on the particular browser that you're using. In my case, I'm using Mozilla Firefox. Basically from here forward, just find the basic main menu in your toolbar and look for Print. Left click on it, and then follow the windows that appear to go through the final couple of steps to print your copy.